Okay, now let's talk the wiring about 1-GAN non-neutral switch. This one is the most easiest one for wiring. Here is the power source, neutral wire, connect together to the load. This is the hot knife, and this one is to the load lamp. And then here is our switch. This is the live wire, this is a load wire, this is ground wire. Now let's connect them together. First, I will connect the live wire. Connect together. Second is this load wire. Together. The ground wire, if you have ground wire in your switch box, just connect them together. Okay, let's turn on the power. See, on, off, so it works.